In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group shapes and text here in Canva. So I have this text and a few shapes just here, and let me go ahead and show you how to group this. Now, what you simply want to do is left click on the mouse, hold down, drag and select, just like that. Now let's do that one more time. We're going to click or left click on the mouse, hold down, drag and select. So this way you can select all of the text and all of the shapes that you want to choose. Once we do that, all this has been grouped together. But we can go one step further and actually click group just here. And now this has turned this into one element. And now these shapes and text is just one element. Now if we want to undo the group, we simply click onto the grouped text and shapes, and then we can simply click ungroup, just like that. Now, one thing to note really quick, let's highlight this and group this again. If you have text and shapes or anything which is grouped together, if you click onto that element once they're grouped, you can only ungroup that one element. So this is why we want to click onto the element but not on the text or a shape. We want to do it next to it like that, so it highlights the whole element, then we can click ungroup and then we're back to being normal. So that's just how easy it is to group shapes and text here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.